First, go ahead, preheat your oven to 375 degrees and prepare a baking sheet with parchment paper. Next, take 20 to 24 large mushrooms, clean them, and remove the stems. Don't discard those stems though, they're going to be useful. Set aside the mushroom caps and finely chop the stems. Now, heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Toss in 4 cloves of minced garlic and a 1/4 cup finely chopped onion. Sauté those until they're softened and aromatic, about 2 to 3 minutes. Once that's done, add the chopped mushroom stems to the skillet. Cook them for another 3 to 4 minutes until they release their moisture and start to brown slightly. After that, remove the skillet from the heat and transfer the garlic, onion, and mushroom mixture to a mixing bowl. To this bowl, you will add 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix well until everything is combined. Okay, now we are going to spoon the filling mixture into each mushroom cap, pressing gently to pack it in. Place the stuffed mushrooms on the prepared baking sheet. If you want to add a little extra flavor, sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese on top of each stuffed mushroom. Then bake in the preheated oven for 18 to 20 minutes, or until the mushrooms are tender and the filling is golden brown. Once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool slightly before serving. For a final touch, garnish with fresh parsley leaves and serve the garlic Parmesan stuffed mushrooms warm as an appetizer or side dish. If you enjoyed this video, then please comment below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, my dear friend, take care.